Hello my dear students, myself Rajni. Today we will start our third lesson in environmental studies. The name of lesson is The Food We Eat. In this lesson we will read about our food. Why do we eat food? We need food to live. We cannot live without food. Food gives us energy to live, play, work and do many other activities. Food helps us to grow. It also helps us to remain strong and healthy. Yes, class, we eat food when we are hungry. We need food to live. We need food to grow. We need food to get energy to do work and play. We need food to be healthy and strong. Now, our first topic is raw and cooked food. Class, first I will discuss you raw food. Raw means raw food is food that is eaten uncooked. Okay, in this category all fruits are coming. Example: cucumber, banana, apple, papaya, banana. You cook banana before eating? No. You peel the banana and eat. This is a raw food. Okay, without cook you eat this. Next is cooked food. Some foods like pulses, potato, fish, etc. need to be cooked before eating. So this is cooked food. Okay, cooked food that is being heated before it's eaten. Now, our next topic is good eating habits. To stay healthy and grow well, it is important to follow good eating habits. Read and follow these habits. First point: wash your hands before and after eating. Yes, this is very essential. Wash your hands before and after eating with soap and water. Next is chew the food properly. Yes class, when you eating your food, chew it properly. If you not chew the food, then you face so many undigested problem. Okay, next is eat fresh and clean food. Yes, always you have to eat clean and fresh food to stay healthy and strong. Next, drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Yes, we have to drink plenty of water, clean water. Okay, for stay healthy. Next, eat healthy food. Avoid junk food like burger, pizza. Yes class, always you have to eat healthy food. Don't eat junk food, because junk food makes us ill and causes so many problems. Class, here one exercise for you. Put a tick in the boxes given next to the pictures that show good eating habit. Class, this exercise you will done later, okay, when you get your books. Next, food is precious and should not be wasted. Yes class, food is precious, so don't waste it. Next is, do not overeat. Overeating is unhealthy. Yes class, eat as much your requirement, okay. Do not leave food uneaten in the plate. Yes class, yes, this is very important. If you eat one chapati, then you take one chapati. After finishing it, you take more. Don't leave uneaten food in the plate. It's very bad habit. Next is, take only as much you need. Yes, I told you na, if you finish one chapati, then you take another. Next is, some people may die if they do not get enough to eat. Yes, without food we are not survive so many days, okay. Next topic is sources of food. There are many kinds of food. We get food from plants and animals. First of all, we will discuss food from plants. We get most of our food like fruits, vegetables, cereals and pulses from plants. People who eat only things that we get from plants are called vegetarians. Yes class, the people who eat only things that we get from plants are called vegetarians. Next topic is food from animals. We get some food items from animals also. Milk, meat, eggs and honey are some foods that we get from animals. We get milk from cow and goat. Goat, hen and fish give us meat. Hens and ducks gives us eggs. We get honey from bees. People who eat meat and eggs are called non-vegetarians. These people only eat animal food, okay. Vegetarians also take milk and its products. Vegetarians who do not take milk and its products are called vegans. food and festivals. Our next topic is, yes class, you know very well, we celebrate lots of festivals. In such festivals, our mother prepare so many different kinds of dishes. Okay, some special foods are made on different festivals. Gunjia is a sweet made on Holi. Plum cake is made on Christmas. Sivai is made on Eid. People in different families also eat different food items. Now, exercise time. A. Put a tick for a good eating habit and a cross for bad eating habit. Number 1. Eat junk food. This is a bad eating habit, so cross will become for this. Number 2. Chew the food properly. This is a good eating habit, so tick will become. Number 3. Eat fresh fruits. This is a good eating habit, so tick will become. Number 4. Do not wash your hands before and after eating. This is a bad eating habit, so cross will become. Exercise B, question and answer. Answer the following questions. Question A. Why do we need food? Answer 1. We need food to live. Question 2. How can we prevent wastage of food? Answer 2. We should not leave food uneaten in the plate. Question 3. Who are vegetarians? Answer 3. People who eat food which we get from plants. Question 4. Name 2 special foods made on different festivals. Answer 4. Gunjia and plum cake. Question 5. Who are non-vegetarians? Answer 5. People who eat meat and eggs are called non-vegetarians. Exercise C. Tick the correct answer. We get milk from option A, cow, B, hen. Answer is cow. So the complete answer is we get milk from cow. Number 2. We should drink 8 to 10 glasses of option A, water, B, milk. So water is the correct answer. Now complete answer is we should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Question 3rd. We get fruits from option A, plants and animals. Answer is plants. So complete answer is we get fruits from plants. Number 4. Hens and ducks gives us option A, milk, option B, eggs. So answer is eggs. Number D. Give 2 examples of each. Number 1. Food that can be eaten raw. Answer, cucumber and mango. Number 2. Food that needs to be cooked before eating. Answer, pulses and cereals. Number 3. Food we get from plants. Food we get from plants. Fruits and vegetables. Food we get from animals. Milk and meat. Learn and do it in classwork copy. Thank you, students.